How did life begin? Where did the stars come from? How did the universe form? These are questions that have been asked by people across time, cultures, and continents. Trying to find the answers is the reason why humans explore outer space. Hello, and welcome to a special teen edition of CU Science Update. I'm your host, Simon Fellenstein. Today we'll be looking at the changing field of space exploration and how scientists and students at CU are looking to space for answers about where we come from. Just a few decades ago, our main goal in space science was to get human subjects to outer space. Today, we have started to shift to a new era of sending instruments, robotics, and unmanned spacecrafts instead of humans. But let's start by taking a look at a turning point for space exploration, the Cold War. Just after World War II, a fierce rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union unfolded in an unusual arena, outer space. During the Cold War, Soviet Russia was our main competition for progress in space technology. This became a huge driving force in our desire to send people out of the Earth's atmosphere. The battle over space exploration between the US and Russia came to be known as the space race. For the United States, space exploration took off in the 1950s and advanced very quickly. In 1957, Americans were unpleasantly surprised when Russia launched the world's first man-made satellite, Sputnik, into Earth's orbit.
We go for main engine start. We have main engine start and ignition and liftoff of STS-7 and America's first woman astronaut. And the shuttle has cleared the tower.
The Space Shuttle program became the main focus for NASA in the late 70s and 80s. In 1983, Sally Ride became the first American woman in space as a crew member on the Challenger shuttle. Although a person hasn't been to the moon since 1972, NASA sent American astronauts into space regularly for decades. That all ended in 2011. When the Space Shuttle Atlantis landed from its final flight.
Nose gear touchdown.
Here at CU, the Laboratory for Atmospheric and Space Physics, or LASP, is working to answer some key questions about the universe. LASP was started in 1948, a full decade before the creation of NASA. Since then, LASP has been involved in missions to all 8 planets of our solar system and Pluto. It is a full-cycle space institute, which means LASP works on all the various elements of space exploration. LASP's various programs and centers work to test space properties and processes. One of LASP's important centers is the Colorado Center for Lunar Dust and Atmospheric Studies. LASP isn't the only place at CU that's interested in space exploration. Dr. Jack Burns is a professor at the university's Center of Astrophysics and Space Astronomy and is currently working on an exciting new mission to the moon. Dr. Burns has spent much of his career studying radio astronomy to investigate the early history of our universe. Radio astronomy is different from optical astronomy because it studies radio frequencies. Space exploration has helped us begin to answer the big questions about how life and the universe began. But there's still a lot to learn. As our exploration efforts evolve, the future of what we can learn about the mysteries of space is boundless. Thanks for watching our special teen edition of CU Science Update. See you next time!